Hi guys, Sid here at Toyota Town of Stockton, and this is the 2021 Rav4 Prime XSE all-wheel drive, equipped with 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, plug-in hybrid system with EV and HV modes, 302 combined net horsepower, ECVT transmission, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. Safety and convenience package includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, 8 airbags, start safety system, anti-theft system with alarm, backup camera with dynamic gridlines, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, LED projector headlights and vertical LED accent lights, power liftgate, and 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Optional premium audio package, 9-inch touchscreen dynamic navigation with 3-year trial, 11 JBL speakers including subwoofer and amplifier, connected services, Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect and Wi-Fi hotspot, destination assist and 10-inch head-up display, panoramic roof, bird's eye view camera with perimeter scan, overhead 360-degree view in low-speed drive and curved view, soft text trim seats with sporty red accent and stitching, heated and ventilated front seats, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 2-position memory function, smart key system on all doors, 120 AC power outlet in cargo area, foot activated power liftgate with jam protection, front and rear parking assist with automated braking, heated side mirrors and heated front seats. Right guys, for more details see description below. Leave a comment below, let me know which Toyota vehicle specs you like to see. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit this notification button below if you like this channel.
But it feels just like the ocean. I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been